Shree Learning and Rhymes.
Let's learn addition. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10.